Hi friends, my name is Achut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us read the problem statement. So you will be given two integers n and k as an integer input. So the user have to give the two user inputs n and k. And the second point is you have to print the series n minus k, n minus 2k, where each number should be printed in a separate line, and you have to print till the time the printed integer is greater than or equal to 0. So what's the statement is? So you have to print this series n minus k, n minus 2k. So what is this n? So n is the user value, like what user has to give, and n minus k means, so we have to minus k from n. So that value should be present here. So n minus k is a value. For example, take n6 and k5. So 6 minus 5, 1. So 1 is the n minus kth value. And so on, n minus 2k. 2k means 2 times of k. You have to subtract it from n. So for example, k is 3. So 2 times of 3 is 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. So n minus 2kth value is 0. So those values we have to print in the separate line. Like for the separate line, we have to use println, and you have to print it till the time the printed integer is greater than or equal to 0. So I have written import java.util.star, and I have taken n as an user input and k as an user input. So I'm taking for loop in I is equal to n. So it should start from n, right? So I'm starting from n. And see here this statement. So the it should be the for loop should be iterate until the integer is greater than or equal to 0. So what is the integer n? So n should be, so I should be starts from n and I should be less than or equal to 0. So it's saying should be greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. And each time I should be subtracted from k. So I means nothing but n, right? So I is nothing but n. So n minus or equal to k. Each time then should be subtracted. So I'm just subtracting I. So there is no errors. So I hope you understand this for loop. So I'm just giving n. So what is the n value? For example, 6. So k is the values. Let us give the inputs. For example, n value is 10 and kth value is 5. So each time, not 5. So example, let's give enter. So each time it is the series n minus k, n minus 2kth values. This is, let's run this program again. I will give small numbers. For example, I'm giving 20 and the kth value is 2. Give enter. See here, each time it's reducing 2 times, like 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1. So n minus k. So what is the n here? 20. So what is the kth value? 2. So 20 minus 2, 18. And after that, 2 times, like what is the nth value is 20. So 2 times of k is 4, right? So 20 minus 4, 16. So on, 14, 12, that 10, 8, 6. So after n minus 2k, what will be given? N minus 3k, n minus 4k. The process will be continued until it reaches to 0. See here, condition stops when you get the 0. So, so this is the problem. So I hope you understand this problem. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So if you ring the bell icon, then only you will get the notification so that you can gain knowledge. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.